Hey guys, I know my head looking crazy, but I have to talk to y'all right now. This is bad. I can see this is a blizzard. This is not a snowstorm. It's not a snowfall. It's a blizzard. I know my head looking crazy and people are gonna feel. Okay guys, it's gonna be looking a little crazy if I can't do this right now. So I really have to choose this. Okay, boom. Open the window. I'm about to open the window, guys. Look out here. You see it? I'm gonna get a little closer. This is very bad. Hey, I need to see this. Look. So I'm about to open the window. I'm scared. Oh, snow. You see the snow? Oh my god, it's coming in. I am so cold right now. But I'm not doing this. I'm doing this for you. I hate the cold so much, but I'm gonna do it for you. I feel like if someone would drop a phone out here, it would like blue, just fall. And I have an air bubble in my case. I don't have an air bubble in my case. This is tripping. Yeah, but guys, this is so cool. I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna hold it really tight because my phone is not falling. I am not going outside. Oh, I'm going outside. Girl, I am not going outside. Alright, so like, you can hear it. But guess what? This is the thing I'm about to show you. I don't know if y'all can see it. But it's like this cable thing for the internet. And the whole building just came on. Just look at it. Can you see it? Can you see that cable messed up? Let me try to get it, guys. Let me try to get it. Let me just raise it a little much. Okay, I can't see it. Just right there. Here. Here. Snowing. What is that? That's snow. That's real snow. I just freaked out by the guy. Because they have a lot of snow. Like a lot of snow. So. I can't believe that's loose right now. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna show you right now before the snow melts. It's like right there. I cannot see it. I can't tell. Like I can't see it. People who can see the cable, it's really messed up. Okay, I'm gonna show you at this window because it is not working for me. Maybe just. Then you nasty. Yeah, I got a little camera, with a little camera thing. There. Oh my god, let me raise it a little more. Okay. If you can see it, it's like right there. You see it? See that thing wiggling? See it? Y'all see it? I can't believe y'all see it right now. It's like right there. That wiggly thing that's waving in the air, that's a cable. guys. Do you see enough? Wait. Can't do this because my window can't open up. Okay. Gonna try right here, guys. For the snow melt in my house. Oh my god, yes, this is a perfect angle. This is so perfect. Guys, y'all should be able to see now. See it? Y'all see that? That cable is messed up. Oh my god, y'all can see it. Finally. Oh my god, really? Yes, right there. I'm gonna get a little closer. It's like right. That's a screw. Close up. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you this real quick. Snow's in my waist. Right there. See it? And then y'all can see the cables. It's right there. Okay, this is how much I can do it. See it? That's my focus. So guys, I just lost focus. Try to get it a little bit. There. Try to get it. It's from my view. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with this phone right now. Okay, right there. It's right there. There. So that's all I have to show you right now. Bye guys. That's really what I wanted to show you. One more time guys, if you want to see it one more time here. Screwdriver up close. Okay guys. Up right there. So okay, my snow just melted. If you want to see, my snow just melted. Oh wait, now we go back in the field. Oh, my snow melted. So I'm gonna get more snow. It's the last snow pile I'm getting. This is just to trick my parents right now. I can't show you on camera because my brother come over. So bye guys, love you.